Okay, we talked a little bit about some things that aren't matter, like what? Right. We talked about antimatter, we talked about dark matter. Those things get a little weird, but for the most part, there's 3 states of matter. Who can tell me what those 3 states of matter are? Aisha, give me one. Liquid, awesome. What's another one, Tilly? A solid, and one more, Megan. Gas, we got liquid, solids, and gases. Those make up all of the matter in this world. We're going to put antimatter and dark matter aside. I know what you're thinking there. Okay, so what do you smell those types of matter made of? Small little things. Grant. Atoms. Atoms and molecules make up everything in this world. And I'm talking about everything in this world. Is this sweater, is this an example of matter?
Yes.
What about my nose? Is my nose an example of matter? Yeah. If you look really closely at my nose, can you see the molecules in my nose? No. So we can't really see molecules, but we know they're there. You know how we know they're there? We put on our big scientist caps and we make observations, and we observe certain things about that type of matter. What was that word we talked about that explains certain types of matter? Those things that we know that we can observe. Sam? Properties! All matter has specific properties. But going along with matter, there's this word, and it sounds like a subject in high school that a lot of people don't like, but you're all going to like it. I know you're going to. What am I talking about, Devin? Chemistry. If something has molecules and it has atoms, it's a chemical. What? That doesn't sound right. Chemicals are bad. Chemicals are really bad for you. All chemicals are really bad. Yeah? No? What do you think? What are you thinking, Amani? Chemicals are everything. Are there bad chemicals?
Yeah.
Sure there are. We talked about that, yes, in the assembly a couple days ago, about there's some bad chemicals that we need to stay away from. Read the directions and be very careful about how we use them. But there's a lot of good chemicals. Who can name a good chemical that we have around us? Ella?
Trees.
Trees! Are trees a